Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Google? This is ticker GOOGL, and a bunch of us have been trading Google at Stock Market Mentor, and I think this stock could take off into 2026 if it can break out of this near-term consolidation that it's in. Right now, we see Google with support down near the 21-day EMA, longer-term support above the 50-day, and right now just consolidating right above that 8-day exponential period moving average. And so I want to see a move through 315 and a close above 315 on Google to add to a current spec position that I have going on right now. So that's the setup that I see on Google. Pretty simple. Not a lot of volume today, not a lot of volume on Christmas Eve. That's to be expected, but certainly watch Google into next week and next year. So that's just one of many stocks we're watching right now at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.